We have a 2013 Yukon Denali, 79,000 mile, two owner with a clean Carfax. As you can see, really sharp vehicle. Actually, it was locally owned, just traded in on the newer body style. And as you can see, very well maintained and kept. Got a straight white. You can see the classic Denali grille there. Also carries on in the lower bumper. You can see it has your headlamps and your integrated fog lights, your halogen headlamps, integrated fog lights there in the bumper. Come around to the side, you can see the nice big 20-inch Denali wheels here, chrome plated, no scuffs or scrapes. Also, we got like brand new Bridgestone dueler tires here. These things are probably about 9, 10, 30 seconds, so plenty of meat left on those. Also, if you can see through the wheel, we have a nice shiny new rotor, thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We go completely over the vehicle, do a used car mechanical check. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. So we look in through the passenger side. You can see the chrome dorsal entry Denali guards. You can also see full power passenger seat with lumbar. We got ebony leather, two bucket seats with a full console, rolls in between. Of course, there's a lot of nice wood grain that flows throughout the dash and the door panels, some chrome trim. Really lets you know you're driving a premium luxury SUV there, as you can see. Also, we got nice wide factory running boards here that go door to door as well. We'll open up to show you. We do have captain's chairs here in the second row, which is nice so the kids don't have to climb over. Also, we are heated here in the second row, and you can see you also have climate control audio buttons, some RCA pre-outs, 12-volt power supply, heated seats through your second row there as well. Also, we got the WeatherTech molded floor mats in all the rows here, so that's another really nice feature. Also, just to show you, this rear tire is a matching dueler, same 9, 30 seconds or so of tread, scuff-free 20-inch wheel there as well. Continuing around to the back, of course, you can see the Yukon badging. Also want to show you it does have a backup camera. We do have a hitch behind this cover plate as well. We also have your ultrasound bumper sensors. We should have a power lift gate. There you see, goes up with just one touch. You can also see here the ability to fold these seats down. A little limited in room cargo wise with the seats. We also can remove these seats completely. As you can see there, we do have another power supply back here as well. Have a button here on the lift gate to shut that. Of course, it's also accessible via the key fob. Now we're working our way to the driver's side. Again, just want to show you the matching Bridgestone tires. Again, scuff-free rear wheel there as well. And then we'll just show you a shot here from the driver's side middle seat section. Again, this is a very clean vehicle, local trade. We have a lot of the service records. And there's no rips, tears, stains, or odors in this vehicle. The previous owner was a non-smoker, and it's a very well kept up. As you can see here, full power driver's seat as well. Like I say, we got the WeatherTech floor mats here, which is nice. Chrome sill guards. I'm just going to give you a quick little tour of the vehicle. Of course, it's loaded with amenities. As you can see, we got cooled seats as well as heated seats. We also have memory seating. We got your power locks, your power windows, power folding mirrors, and your power mirrors, also heated. We do have the blind spot detection, as you can see there, with the signal indicators in that mirror. So the mirror's got it all. Let's go ahead and jump in here. I want to show you, I believe I have the key. Show you the key here. There you can see we got two keys and remote start. Nice feature. Integrated key fob. Of course, the ability to get your glass or your lift gate there remotely through the key as well. Now let's go ahead and start this up and we'll continue the tour. I said 79,000 miles. There you see, 79,855 miles to be exact. We got your automatic headlamps, push button fogs, got your dimmer switch for your interior and your dash. We got the stem to the left, which is your rear and front intermittent wiper washers. We also have your high beams and turn signals. The column shift to the right has a tow haul button on the end, the ability to select any of the gears of the transmission in the center. We do have a heated steering wheel on this vehicle as well, nice feature. We have the cruise control. We got your audio controls on the steering wheel, your Bluetooth or your hands-free. So we also have an integrated trailer brake control down here as well, as you can see, a full power telescoping tilt wheel. So really just loaded with options. Of course, these buttons will operate and change your displays of your center console there, tire pressure monitoring, oil life, things of that nature, tripometers, instant fuel economy, all that can be assessed through those buttons. As you can see, it is equipped with the factory navigation, another very nice feature. We also have your AM, FM, your satellite radio, all those things can be accessed through these buttons here. Of course, you got dual climate control with automatic temperature setting. We got power adjustable pedals. We have 2 more 12-volt power supplies there as well. Let's open up that compartment. You can see just a little compartment there to keep some items. We'll open up this compartment to show you 2 large cup holders. We also got a nice big full center console. We got your connectivity in there, USB, audio pre and out. We got another 12-volt power supply there as well. Got your full sunroof here with your controls there. Ability to shut your rear lift gate. We also have your universal home link to program garage door openers. Of course, there's a picture of the moonroof. And one last thing is we have entertainment system on this, as you can see. So this had the Sun Entertainment and Sound package, I believe GM called it in 13. So we do have your rear seat DVD there as well. And like I say, really, if it came with an option, this vehicle has it. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. Show you the engine we got under here. This may be the 6.2 liter. It's definitely at least the 5.3. So let's see what we got. 6.2 liter. So we got the big boy engine in this. It'll get you where you need to go, no doubt. I don't know if anybody's ever driven it, but mainly just want to show you underneath the hood so you can see how clean it is. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks. Everything, even the terminals, no corrosion. You can see everything was very, very well maintained here by the previous owner. Routine maintenance. Looks like a brand new serpentine belt on there. So you can see just very well taken care of by the previous owner. Now let's go ahead and shut this truck off and we'll get into the next portion of the video, which I really think is important and differentiates us here at Thomas. Not only completely upfront in our pricing, as well as our mechanical condition, as I spoke of earlier with our mechanical check sheet, but also in a cosmetic condition. Now, this vehicle's a few years old. It does have just shy 80,000 miles, so some minor imperfections should be expected. Looks like we got a little tiny scratch right down here. Those are the kind of things I want to point out: stone chips, scratches, dents, anything of that nature. Really in pretty nice shape. Little tiny scratch here on the mirror cap cover. These folks, they keep their vehicles in a garage. It was garage kept. It doesn't look like they do have some children. It doesn't look like they beat it up. Kept it in very good shape. Couple little minor stone chips down here across the bottom from the rear wheels. Fascia's good. We got little damage there on that cover, but like I say, this cover could come off. It just covers the toe. No scratch down there on the bumper. Just from loading and unloading cargo, we got a scratch right here on the lift gate as well. A couple little minor scratches there on the fascia. Quarter panel looks good. Little scratch here on the door. A little dirt there. Looks pretty good. Little chip underneath that door handle. Can't pick up any dents though. Really nice clean unit. Couple little chips on that fender there you can see through. Couple more up here by the headlamp, 2 more. And then a fair amount I should say, of chips, bug damage here on the front Just gonna kind of pan across. You can get a good look at that. I mean, it's kind of unavoidable. Vehicle, it's been on the road. It's gonna get some little chips and stones come up. Got them here on the hood as well, you can see. I'll just kind of pan across versus showing them all to you. There you see a cluster of them there in the center. Like I say, very common vehicle of this year or miles. Looks like we do have, it's gonna be hard for me to, got a little dent right there. I don't know if I can catch it. You can probably see it in the reflection of that light. That's the only dent I found there on the hood. So as you can see, very, very clean vehicle. Like I say, local trade. We have some service records. As far as coverage, it is out of the manufacturer's coverage. However, we're selling this vehicle with our exclusive lifetime internal engine and transmission warranty. So that comes at our asking price, and you can buy this car with confidence. So if you're interested, look us up at www.thomasata.com or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video, and I wish you an excellent day.